The PNC660 has two USB-C ports, a bottom port for charging and data transfer, a side port for external audio accessories only. Let's show you how to connect the remote speaker microphone to the side USB-C port. First, push down the slide switch. Next, open the cover of the USB-C port. Then plug the connector into the port and push the switch up. You will now see prompt message on the screen. Finally, clip the remote speaker microphone on your shoulder. Now you can press and hold PTT key on the remote speaker microphone to make calls on the go. The bottom USB-C port lets you easily charge your radio anywhere, even in the car. Just plug the cable into the port, and you'll see the battery level on the screen. Now you can keep talking while charging. Never miss a beat at work. That's how to use dual USB-C ports.